this is day one. It officially doesn't start until tonight. They do a cruise in at one of the high schools. But yeah, there's my brother. So this is just basically everybody brings their cars in. The people that leave them here drop them off. The swap meet starts today. So me and Dave always try to come out here day one and check out the swap meet. Morning. Well, they are snapping pictures already. Morning. That's that lady that said go yesterday. So, for the last couple of years, this show's been bringing about 2,500 cars. The weather this weekend is going to be kind of crappy. Today's probably going to be the best day. So there may not be too many. Well, there may not be as many.
Pretty big car show for such a small town.
Yeah. Tomorrow it'll be, or even maybe even later tonight, it'll be so busy with people walking through here. It'll take you 20 minutes to get to your spot depending on where you park at.
Madhouse tonight. Weather holds up tomorrow, will be really bad.
Saturday's typically the worst. What are we waiting on here?
On the Ducktail golf cart.
Oh,
Trolley.
there you go. You hear that? You want that clicking?
Yeah.
So we were supposed to be, wow, they cut over there. We were supposed to be about right here, but somebody took our spots. Huh?
John over at Cooking.
Going back to my corner. And then everybody's got to stop and talk to everybody. Luckily, put in the old fan.
Car show's about. Car. Talking to your friends.
good? Well, we made it, day one. Let's see what we got going on. Got her out. Stressful, but exciting all at the same time. I didn't have time to wash it and give it a bath. Brother made it out with his. Got the flag up on top this year. There we go. Swap meet all the way back there, which is what we're gonna do today. And then cars just as far as you can see. Yeah, that's what mine aspires to be, I think. And this is the first year I've actually seen a 58 or 59 Apache out here, step side. I've seen a few fleet sides. It's sharp though. I like the chrome steps. I want to put a sun visor on ours. The wife doesn't really care for it. This whole area will be filled up by the end of the day or tomorrow. Getting into the old swap meet. You know, 55 to 57. I'm gonna get me one of them Chevelles here sometime. Tempest. Look at this. This is beautiful. Yeah. The paint. A little bit of everything out here for everybody. Hopefully we'll be back out here the next 2 days. You guys want to tell us something to look for, what you want to see? Let us know. All right, don't make fun of my hat, but this is I was gonna hold off on this, but we just happened to see one possible next build. Y'all tell us what you think. We got an opportunity to buy one of these. Short bed. Just an idea of what it could look like.